May I now request Kumari Shrestha Dabbiru, Balvikas alumnus from Bangalore East District, to share her thoughts and experiences about the role of Sri Satya Sai Balvikas, a foundation for spirituality and culture.
Sairam, I would like to offer my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan, our eternal Guru, Sri Satya Sai Baba. On this auspicious occasion of Ishwaramma Day, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you all how Sri Satya Sai Balvikas is the foundation for spirituality and culture. Swami says, spirituality is the knowledge of your true self that is beyond your body and mind. It is interconnected with all beings of the universe. It is the understanding that the divine energy that has created this world is present in each and every being. Spirituality means removing of animal qualities like fear, anger, jealousy, and transforming human qualities into divine love. Culture, on the other hand, is a way of life. Swami says that culture is universal, and without culture, all beauty, nobility, goodness, and brotherliness are useless. In our journey of human life, to experience the joy of divine love, it is very important to have this spiritual understanding and cultural practice right from early childhood. The current education system focuses purely on acquiring worldly academic knowledge. As a result, the innate spirituality and its cultural expressions are not explored, thus causing an imbalance in the human mind. True spirituality is integrating academic knowledge with spiritual and cultural understanding. You must be wondering, in human form, how do we practice the culture of expressing divine love? Swami has beautifully explained that love in thought is truth or satya. Satya means truthfulness in speech and harmony of thought, word, and action. Love in action is right conduct or dharma. Dharma is the disciplining of the human mind to do the right action always. Love in feeling is peace or shanti. Shanti, shanti is the resolution of all conflicts and agitation of mind. It is being in a state of calmness. Love in understanding is non-violence or ahimsa. Ahimsa is the awareness of oneness and unity of all beings. It is a state where there is absence of hate in thought, word, and deed. Swami emphasized that these five human values form the framework of human life and should be instilled in each and every child. This led to the start of Bal Vikas. Swami called on students and parents and initiated the Sri Satya Sai Bal Vikas program in 1969. Bal Vikas means blossoming of human excellence. Human values can neither be imbibed through textbooks nor can they be gifted to anyone. They are inherent, and the Sri Satya Sai Bal Vikas program provides the right environment for these latent human values to blossom and empower each child. Bal Vikas program is designed and implemented in a very efficient way. The curriculum emphasizes on five teaching techniques that are in a systematic and integrated manner. They can be adopted irrespective of caste, creed, community, or country. These five teaching techniques are prayer, storytelling, group singing, group activities, and silent sitting. A prayer is a way of communicating with God or connecting with the inner self. It teaches us to be grateful. Group singing teaches children to work together as a team and cooperate with each other. It fills the mind with pure thoughts and even purifies the atmosphere. Storytelling is based on scriptures, epics, lives of saints, and divine personalities. It promotes noble thoughts and actions through inspiring role models. Group activities promote discipline, teach selflessness, cultivates a sense of responsibility, increases adaptability and social awareness. This helps children to build their confidence. Silent sitting is a way in which we connect with God. It is an art of listening. Just as through prayers, we ask God for what we want, in silent sitting, we listen to what God wants to tell us. In the depths of silence, we can tap into the energy of love that vibrates throughout the cosmos. Through the judicious use of simple teaching techniques, the Bal Vikas Gurus encourage children to become conscious of their potential and excel in life. I would like to thank Swami for giving me this opportunity to become a Bal Vikas student. His teachings are going to be a constant guide for me and for many more Bal Vikas students. As an alumni, I am forever grateful to him. Sai Ram.